Most of us go through our day breathing in a very shallow way. Short, quick breaths that barely uses the full capacity of our lungs. This leaves us feeling very anxious, low on energy, or even disconnected with our body. This is where pranayama can really change how you feel. By learning to breathe deeper, slower, we calm our nervous system, improve the oxygen flow in the body, and create a sense of presence in the mind. In today's session, I'll guide you through simple breathing exercises perfect for beginners. You'll feel more grounded, centered, and energized by the end. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes of your time. So once you're ready, let's get going. We'll start with diaphragmatic breathing, which utilizes the lowest portion of our lungs. Every time we are going to inhale, we are going to feel our ribs and belly expanding outwards. And as we exhale, the belly and the ribs are going to come in. So let's place one hand at the bottom of the ribs and one on the belly. Gently close your eyes and let's take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Again, inhale deeply, sending your breath into your hands, feeling the ribs and the belly expanding outwards. As you exhale, feel the ribs and the belly coming back in. Keep going. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going on for 5 more breaths. With each inhale, feel the expansion within the body as the ribs and the abdomen expand outwards. As you exhale, everything comes back in towards the center. One last deep breath in and out. And relax and bring the hands down on the knees and take a few normal breaths. Next, we are going to practice box breathing, which is great for reducing stress and anxiety, as well as helping us to refocus and bringing us to the present moment. In box breathing, we are going to inhale for a count of 4. Hold the breath in for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 4 and hold the breath out for a count of 4. So just lengthen your spine. You can bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath in. Exhale. Hold the breath out. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Keep going on for 5 more rounds. Last round. And relax and take a few normal breaths. Finally, we are going to do Nadi Shodhana Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing, which is great for balancing our internal energies as well as improving our respiratory function. We are going to do a ratio of 1:2, which means we are going to inhale for a count of maybe 4, and then we are going to exhale for a count of 8, and we are going to keep alternating between the sides. So let's bring the left hand in Chin Mudra on the left knee, right hand in Nasagra Mudra by folding the ring and the little finger, and place the first 2 fingers at eyebrow center. Place the right thumb over the right nostril. Gently exhale completely from the left side. Then inhale from the left. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close the right nostril. Exhale left. Inhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going for 3 more rounds. Last round. Slowly exhale from the left side and bring the right hand down and take a few normal breaths. We are going to finish the practice with 3 Om chants. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you soon with something new. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye. If you found this helpful, check out my 4 weeks Pranayama program in which we understand the basics of Pranayama practice and learn 12 pranayams together.